follow me. In this video, I am going to show you how to make little Lord Ganesha with the help of Play-Doh in a very easy steps. So let's get started.
To make Ganesha, you need to take a clay and you're going to just squeeze it with the hands like this way. After this, you're going to keep it in your palm and roll it. Gently you have to roll it. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. And then slowly you will see that it will become a ball. Now the ball is ready. So this is for Ganesha's belly. For Ganesha is ready. Now we are going to take little more clay and then we are going to do the same step. Keep it in your palm. Don't touch the fingers. Just keep it and keep rolling it. Now you see the head is ready and the body is ready. We are going to assemble these two like this way. Let's attach these two pieces together. Here you can use toothpick. I am using this earbud. You have to just insert here like this way. And then you take this head area and insert it together, which will fix these two pieces. Now this is the body which is ready. Let's make trunk of a Ganesha. Let's take little bit clay. You have to just see that whether it's enough or not. Now again you have to make a ball in your palm. Keep it like this and then roll it like this way. Now if you see, this part is little thin and this is thick. So again you have to just put a little bit pressure here like this way. And then since this is quite long, I am going to just break it from here and I am going to attach it here. So make ears of Lord Ganesha. So you have to have equal clay in your both hands to make two equal balls. So I'm going to just make it like 1 and 2. Now you have to just press it like this way. Now let's put it here. And press it down so that it will get fixed. Now the half of the body is ready. Let's move to the next step. To add hands of Lord Ganesha. So again you have to take a little bit clay. You have to just break it in two pieces. Make sure these two are equal. And again you have to make a two balls like this. Then you just repeat this step as we did it for the trunk. Okay, make it a little longer. Then if you see that this is quite long, what you're going to do, you're going to add it here. Like this. Then the second one. Just break this if this is long, and you're going to add it here and just make the palm. Now this is almost half of the body is ready. Let's give laddu to Ganesha. add crown. For crown you need to have 3 balls, okay, and again just press it down. Now take another toothpick. Now the crown is ready. Time to add legs. Again you just need to roll it like this one. Then you can add ornaments also. And you're going to add it here. Now eye time. Let's do small ball.
Your little cute Ganesha is ready. If you liked the video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.